My name is Marcel McManus and I'm a Professor of Energy and Environmental Engineering and a Director of the Centre for Sustainable and Circular Technologies at the University of Bath. I am also a Research Director of Idric. What is Idric? Idric is the Industrial Decarbonisation Research and Innovation Centre. CO2 levels are at the highest they have been for over 800,000 years. Increased levels of carbon dioxide lead to climate change, and as we know, we are currently in a climate emergency. We need to do everything we can to reduce our carbon emissions rapidly. Decarbonisation is how we do that. It means we look at industry and sectors and work out how we can reduce the carbon and other greenhouse gases that are produced as a result of their processes. Within Idric, there are many individual research projects, but these are clustered into research themes. These themes are social, economic and policy, systems and scale-up, and low-carbon technology. As well as running my own individual research work within Idric, I will be leading the low-carbon technology research theme, which brings together 17 individual research projects and their teams. Within this group, we're looking at all sorts of things, including how and where we can store carbon, how we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions in existing technologies, and how we can change the way we make things so that there's no or very little greenhouse gas emissions in the first place. My own research within Idric will use life cycle thinking and assessment to help determine optimal processes for decarbonisation. So for example, turning carbon dioxide that is currently emitted as a waste from industrial processes into valuable chemicals and products and optimising that process over their life cycles. I will also be looking at how we can link industrial clusters with their local environment and their local land to see if we can use land-based carbon management, such as linking with local agricultural processes and land management. The benefit of bringing these projects together with others is that as well we can look at the most economically viable options for different industries and sectors. We can look at which is the best local impact on jobs and society. As we come out of the impacts of COVID-19, it's imperative that we get this right and we use the opportunity to reduce carbon emissions long term.